Do you want to save the charging port in your phone? Well, that's where wireless charging comes in. And I've been sent out a product that's in Kickstarter at the moment from INIU or INIU, however you pronounce it. And they've dedicated themselves to making a fast charging wireless charger. Now, majority of the ones that I've tried in the past, I put my phone on and it takes hours or even overnight to charge my phone fully, and even then it's not fully done in the morning. Where this one, if I'm sitting at my desk for an hour, maybe two, doing some editing, I whack it on this and it's fully charged, no matter the percentage before. So let's get into the box. It's very simplistic. So this wireless charger is on a stand, or you can remove it and have it flat on the desk, and it does have some subtle RGB. So all of the gamers, office enthusiasts, and everyone out there could have this on the setup and it wouldn't take away from the aesthetic. So opening the box is very simple. This is obviously, like I said, a prototype in Kickstarter at the moment, so they might change the packaging, I don't know, but it comes with some obviously supporting foam just to keep it in there nice and sturdy, and then you've got the charger itself just there, and then it comes with a little warranty card or thank you card. So on the front of the box it literally says the Safe Fast Charge Pro. This is an airflow stand with 15 watts magnetic wireless charger, WI213. That is it, and then on the side it has some other information like of service and support, but that is literally it. This is the little wireless charger, and the good thing about this, like I said, it does pop out. It's got this silicone base at the back. You can literally just pop that through and then boom, you've got yourself a nice wireless charger that just sits perfectly on the desk and you wouldn't even know it's there. And then another cool feature is the fan that is underneath, because a lot of wireless chargers don't take this into consideration. If your phone is charging flat, there's no heat sink, there's nothing to dispute the heat. That's why I've taken it to the next level by having the fan at the bottom. You can't hear it, it's not loud at all. It's just there to keep your phone from overheating, or even the charger itself. It is a USB-C cable. When I've plugged it in, the cable is long enough to actually reach on the other side of my desk and get plugged into the main socket there. And as you can see, there's a nice green glow. There is a button on the back here that if you click does turn off that glow there. And I believe the fan only turns on when it feels like it's getting too hot, because at the moment the fan's turned off, so is the RGB. But like I said, you can literally push this back through and have it in the stand, so then it can sit nicely on the desk, cable managed, come behind. There's not really much you can talk about a wireless charger. They do the job. It's fast charging. Now, there's one thing I've noticed with the stand itself. If you don't have the MagSafe phone case with the extra magnet on the back, it won't sit on here nicely. As you can see, if I put mine on there, it slides off. I can place it on there, but then it's not very secure at all. Now I'm rocking the Samsung S23 Ultra, so it's quite a big phone as it is anyway. Future Callum here. I completely forgot to mention the reason for this not supporting my phone is the device is tailor-made for iPhone 12, 13, 14 and 15s. Anyway, back to the video. But that's why I tend to take this out and put it on the desk, because once it's flat on the desk, I can put my phone on there and it does the job. That's telling me at 14 minutes until it's full. We're at around 70%, so that is a fast charge indeed. A lot of you iPhone users I know have the MagSafe cases actually from Apple themselves, or there's some third-party brands out there. If you had this in the stand, you would be able to just plop that on there and it would stay sturdy, but that is the only fault I've found so far. It's a very fast charging, unique style to a wireless charger with a fan and the RGB. On the back here it says the input is 9 volts and the output is 15 watts maximum, so that is a decent amount of power coming from this little brick here. It looks nice on your setup. It's very minimalistic. It's not too much in your face like some of the wireless chargers that have like the 3 different ports going off. This is very simple and it's sleek. But if you want to go check this out yourself, there is a link in the description so you can go do so. But just before we end the video, I've just noticed on the bottom of the stand here, there's this nice rubber grip as well. It does have your sleep mode options. So for the operation of the S button at the bottom here, press it once and it turns the LEDs off. Press it twice, it turns the LEDs off and puts silent mode on. And press it 3 times, it turns the LEDs back on. Now it does say note that the charging speed will decrease in silent mode, which is to be known. A lot of things that you sort of turn down the energy will less output, but that's nice for them to actually tell you there. It's just a bit weird that it's on the bottom and not on the box. That's the product itself. That's what it is. That's what it does. And hopefully if you're out there on the market for any wireless charger, this one has took your interest. If you have any questions about anything, leave them in the comments below. Also, let me know, do you use wireless charging? Are you like me and use old-fashioned stuff like cables and things like that? Be good to know in the comments. I appreciate the company sending this out, and I appreciate you all watching till the end. Capture, create, captivate. That's what we've done here today, and I'll see you all in the next video.